talk about mini window substring problem. So as you see, here we will have an input string, and these are the targeted characters. So you need to find the smallest substring like A, B, C, which is having a very less length. Yeah, I will just jump it there. So as you see here, this is the input, and we need to find these targeted characters, and I'm storing the needed characters in a dictionary number of times that each character is the target is being repeated need to be found. And these are the different characters I'm storing to the need. And here if you see, I'm trying to expand the end until I found the condition is satisfied. Once I found the condition, once I reach the C is found, I will try to decrement the start. I will break that. It is once it's satisfied, I will break that condition by increasing the start window, by decreasing the window size from the start. So once I break it, I will try to expand the end part over here. As you see, again, I will be expanding the end part until I found the characters of A. So here we are missing the A once we reduced, and here we found it. Once we found it, again, you see, we are decreasing that start window. And once again, this is here till here it was satisfying, and then once we reduced, and then again I am incrementing the end window to satisfy that C is not there. So I'm trying to find the C, and then again trying to decrease it. So this is the mini window problem. I compare this similar with the longest character repeating problem. So this is one is to find the longest length. It will allow you certain number of time a particular character to be repeated multiple times to solve the same characters. Okay. Here in the code, I will show you side by side. So this is the mini window solution. As you see, here it is the longest repeating characters solution. So here, once this is for expanding the end. Once we found the condition satisfied, we will start entering into the start and to try to reduce the window size from the start. Here in the other side, once we found the condition, we will try to increase the end window. Once we just expand the end window, and the condition will be breaking in this problem, the longest thing. So at once the condition break only, we will try to enter into the loop to decrease the start window. So these are the major difference, and I will show you the difference here also. As you see, here we will try to decrease the window size in the start if the condition is broken, like where the characters is missing here. We found A, B, C is found, then we will increase the A. But here, once we found the condition is being satisfied, we try to increase it. A, B, C, we try to increase. Once the condition is broken, only we try to decrease the start. So these are the two different examples. Yeah. So I'll go through the code one by one. So as you see here, I'm storing the needed character as I show here. Here the needed characters are A one time, B one time, C one time, and then number of characters we have, different characters we have is 3. So these are the inputs we gathered, and have created a have variable. So that is to determine the number of characters that we have satisfied right now in the current window. So the current window have only A and B, and it doesn't have a C, then it will be satisfied over 2. So So that is got updated here and as well as here. So see, here the particular end character I'm just updating. Whenever I'm expanding the end character, I'm adding into the window character, and I'm checking whether it is a needed character. Here you need to make sure double equal to. Okay, if you are making, I might think that window can now multiple number of years. That is fine, and we can have more. That will break the logic. Don't make that change. So it should match that particular count. Then only we need to increment the have, or else it will break the condition. And once we found that condition satisfied, have and needed are same, then we will try to update the result window start and end, so that we can give that result. And here we see that start. I'm just once I'm at the condition, I'm updating the result, as well as then I will try to remove the start character. Okay, that removes the window size from the start. So here, that is what the procedure I'm trying to remove that current window, that particular character, the A, for example, A will be here. I'm trying reducing that window array A by 1. And then if it is one of the needed characters, then we need to reduce it. Okay. So I'm decrementing the start. The result is this one. So I'll go through this one. As you see, the needed characters are here. Number of times each character is needed, and different characters are 3. And as you see, we have. So this have will be updating the number of characters. The targeted characters are there in the current window. So currently we start in the overall bigger for loop, right? For huge for loop, this end will be starting incremented till we find the needed number of characters equal to have. So as you see, we are incrementing the bigger for loop, and once we satisfy the condition, here we will have all the 3 characters. So we will be updating the while loop will be entered, and we will be updating the result window, the length, and then we will be removing the particular start window. We will start removing the position of the start window. So as you see, we are reducing the start window, and we have to decrement that have also. So we have removed that have equal to 2 also, and then we will be incrementing. Once that have is reduced, the while will be broken, and then the for will be continuing till that have is been satisfied. So we will be starting, the end will be getting incremental. Once you reach the A, the have will be satisfying. Once we found the have is being satisfied, again we will be the while loop will try to reduce the start here until that condition is broken, and that condition will be broken. See let's see, and we have a table. So till here the condition will be having, and then once we remove the C, the condition will be broken. We will be have only 2, and then we have to increment the particular this end characters. So we will start increasing the end over here, and as you see, end is got increment until the end of the bigger string. So once we reach we have all the characters, and then we started to reduce this while loop started to reduce the start window, and whenever the condition is satisfied, the result window will be getting updated. So it is getting updated with here. This is the minimum window previously we had, and this is very smaller than that. So we are updating the position, and again it's smaller than that. We are updating the position, and once we have this one is not satisfying the condition, so we are done with it. Yeah. The main thing here I'm saying this code is to So you should not have greater than simple while you are trying to calculate have. So you might think that window characters can have more than the needed characters, but that will break the logic. So make sure you don't have that condition like that. And as you see, another confusing point might be like you got. And this is the main thing that for loop will be there, and once the condition is satisfied, then try to reduce the start. But in the um, longest repeating character, you can see for loop will be there, but once the condition is satisfied, you can try to expand the end, but the condition will be not satisfied when we expand the end itself, when the length is increasing. So at that time, we will introduce the while to make the condition satisfied. So these are the difference between these two problems. You guys can refer them. Okay, thank you.